Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and those are new to this channel, kindly make sure that you subscribe to this channel for the latest tech updates and the tech knowledge. So as you know, today is day 2 of the AI agents 5 days course, and for the day 2 you specifically need anti-gravity for the lab. So let's install the anti-gravity first. Let me tell you how to install it. Go to the anti-gravity page, okay, then click on download, and according to your system select the download option. Okay, now mine is Windows, so I am clicking on download for x64. Then go to the lab again, then click on Antigravity CLI, and you will be redirected to the Antigravity CLI and click on install. Okay, then you will see here according to the system which you have. So mine is Windows, so I'm clicking on download for x64, and both of my files will be downloaded. It would just take few minutes, so let's wait for a while. So as you can see, both of the files are downloaded. Now double click on each of them one by one so that it gets installed. So I've clicked on this one. I would click on accept and next, and I've already installed actually anti-gravity, so I'm not installing it again, but you should if you have not. Okay, then click on next, and do remember to click on both of these boxes so that later on you get the option of open with anti-gravity ID, and it would be very helpful for you. So just make sure that you click on both of these so that you get a desktop icon for your ease, and open with Antigravity IDE whenever you want to open any folder in the IDE directly. So it would take some time for installation. So this was all for this video. In this video I have taught you how to basically install the anti-gravity and the anti-gravity ID. I hope you guys like the video. If you guys like the video, just subscribe my channel, like this video, and hype this video. Meet you in the next code lab of the day 2. Till then, bye bye.